Okay, I've got a bit of a problem. So MoYu will send these over, and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with them. Like, I could unbox them, definitely, and let's do that. Let's unbox some of these. But making a video on an 8x8 and a 10x10 and a, what is this one? 11x11 and a 12x12, like, I feel like there's only so much I can do with it before the video is just like, look at this thing. Now, what I've been finding with these MoYu cubes, though, is they're really good. They're really nice. And they're surprisingly small. So here's the 12x12. This is real small. Let's get weight and size of this. I think what I'll do is I'm just going to give these away. 305 grams, so it's quite heavy. Size of the 8x8. It's about 65 millimeters. And for the 12x12, close to 75 millimeters. They're matte plastic. They got magnets in them. I'm always surprised how well these magnets work, how they even fit them in here. They are fantastic, though. I'm always afraid. I don't usually let my students use these, though. I don't trust them to not break these, simply because they're going to try to turn it in an odd angle. As much as these probably won't break, as you can see even right now, sometimes it's catching on a layer. Oh yeah, it's a 12x12. I was like, why is it not checkerboarding? Colors look nice. Matte plastic works well for this size of puzzle. I'm not really bothered by it. But yeah, like right there, catching a little bit. This is like a pocket cube. Just actually for comparison, the size of this to a 4x4, this is a 12x12, is wild. Like, how do you get pieces this small and assemble this and not have things crack or break? That's wild. That's real impressive. Every layer is great. Even has a little bit of corner cutting, which I'm not going to test it too much. I like how tight this one is out of the box. What do these cost right now? Let's go to Speedcube Shop. Maylong 10x10 V2 is $83. Oh, wow. Okay. 11x11, $120. So these aren't cheap. So do a charity drive for the 8, 10, 11, 12. Where's the 9? I think I might have actually been using the 9x9. I'll look for that one. But I appreciate MoYu sending them over. They're great puzzles. I just don't know how to make content on them. So here they are. Check them out. They're good. MoYu Weilong 9x9 V3 is $27. Why is that one so much cheaper? Oh, because it's not magnetic. Oh, okay. The magnetic and ball core, do these have a ball core? Yeah. Okay, that's why these are so stable in feeling. That the ball core in these. So you can get a regular one for $30, but for magnetic with the ball core, price goes up exponentially. I'll have links to all of them. Let me know how I could maybe make content on this, because to me personally, I don't know, like a 20-minute video of me solving a big cube is not interesting. Do you find it interesting? Am I just too picky on this? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts. Hit like, subscribe, do all that stuff. I'll see you next time.